All right, so I got this new 1000 watt EVGA SuperNOVA T2 power supply, titanium, and the reason is because I'm upgrading my graphics card. So I have a 280 Super RTX, EVGA RTX 280 Super. I'm upgrading it to a EVGA RTX 380 Ti. So my existing power supply of 750 watts isn't enough. So we need to upgrade this. So let's open this up. Let's look at the outside of the box first, I guess. So it's whisper silent. That sounds good. It's more efficient than what I have now as a platinum, and this is a titanium. So, and it's got all this fine print on the back, different languages. It's got all the power connections, 100% Japanese capacitors. Let's open this up. And let's see what it's got here. So it's got a case, keep all the extra power connectors. It's got a whole slew of power connectors. It's got the plug to the wall, desiccant packet. It's got some cable ties, that's always helpful. And it's got some screws. Yeah, flathead screws with Phillips and a socket, probably, I'm not sure what millimeter that might be, but 5 millimeter maybe. And it's got a EVGA, not sure what this is. Detection tool. I guess to tell if there's any power coming out or something. So I must light out. You can see if power is coming out the end of the cord. That's interesting. I haven't seen that before. Another desiccant packet. And some power supplies for fans. I think these are for fans. So, all right, let's take the power supply itself out. It's nicely padded. Get this box out of the way. So it's got nice four-way padding on it, foam padding. It's got a nice cloth case to keep it from getting scratched up, I guess. It's got the manual, and it's got introduction, different types you can get, all the good things it's got, the features, installation information, and Q&A, and a bunch of specs back here, the different sizes. So that's in different languages. Let's open this up. It's got a Velcro connector. All right, so there's all the connections. So let's see what's upside down here. So it's got a MB, couple of VGAs, SATA, CPU, more VGAs. It's got this little on-off switch here. Oh, it put on ECO Mode. Let's see what that is. I read about that at some point. I can't remember what it was now. It's got some SATA connections and some more CPUs and VGAs. So should have enough connections for what we need. We're upgrading it to a bigger size than what we had before. The other thing I wanted to check is how big it is. Make sure, see if it'll fit in here. So I don't have to get rid of. I think it'll just fit so that I can keep my two case fans on the bottom. I have to make this one 120 instead of 140, but that'll still be a win, I think. I specifically got this so I thought it would fit. I thought it was the same size as the old one, so it looks like it is. So, all right, so we'll be taking out the old one and then put this one in, and we'll see how that goes.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.